going to our room. Two beds. Then, dito may, tawag dito. Cabinet, closet, mirror. Then, let's check the bathroom.
This is what I appreciate. I appreciate.
Appreciate. Okay, let's
try it. It's so comfy.
What's the view? Ay. Oh.
Ayan. Ano ko lang si Kuya.
The building. Yeah. We're now in Corny. It's so peaceful. Ganda. Picture. Push mo yan. Sige. Walk. Ito Mia. Wait lang. Welcome to Corny. So last time I was here 6 years ago. A lot of things changed. It's kind of silent for today. It's Sunday. It's a weekday for them. Friday and Saturday is the weekends. Hello! Going to meet Ate May today.
Sorry? Okay.
Welcome to Doha! Nakalog si Kuya, oh! Welcome to Qatar! Ganda naman! Okay. What is that, Matt? and Mu eating chapati. Chapati dough ride. You met, ano pa, gutom na yan. So first, ako din. Ngayon na-feel ko na siya. Chapati. Chapati. What kind of chapati? Dura.
Mama.
Mama Binte.
Picturean mo kami. Okay. Bakit ka ganun? Ako lang.
Chapati. Chapati.
I like this one better.
You like it?
Like what I ordered is
Donut, barbecue fish. Let's go. Let's go. Wow! Nice view! Ha? Uy, mag-baby na yan. Coco melon. Hello? Busy siya mag-upload. Look at that. Did you see? Did you see? Wala pang tulog yan. 1 hour lang. Wow. Sarap yan ha. Ano to? What is this?
sea bass.
Sea bass. Naku, favorite ni Kuya to.
Talaga?
Ewan ko lang. Basta fish yun eh.
Excited na.
Sure up. Is this your favorite?
Yes. My favorite.
It's my favorite. Yes. Okay, you eat the... Ano ba yan? Hummus. Hummus, hummus. Perfect bite.
Perfect bite. Kakain pa tayo ng lamb chop, ha?
Sarap. Souvenirs. Camel.
Habibi.
Minsan, kailangan ng OTP, kaya hindi ko sure. First time kong gagamitin if ever. Thank you so much, Donut Al, barbecue fish, and Kuya for souvenirs. Discount. Showing my face.
Swipe your face, then you get discount.
Swipe your face.
And then we swipe our face, no discount.
Bye-bye! First day done. So happy. We met Mu and Uzma also.
Uzma.
Party, party. Good night,
Good night.
Habibti. Bye.